today we are going to react to one of the Ram Charan songs, that is Laila O Laila from the movie Nayak. Yes. I don't know if the Nayak movie is same as the Nayak which we have of Anil Kapoor. I have no idea about this. So we are going to react to it. This song was actually recommended by who is a very frequent follower of my channel, and I'm really thankful to him to give me many suggestions now and then for that, because I have no idea about any of the songs or movies or scenes, something like that, and he is like helping a lot. So I'm really thankful to him. Thank you so much giving me all suggestions for that. And we'll start the video, but before that I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any update from me. At the same point of time, link to the Instagram and Twitter in the description below if you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, or follow me. I would love to hear from you guys. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So without further ado, let's start. Shots. Oh wow, nice. I guess a total party animal, right? Wow. Hey, he can dance, man. What is this? Nice. Hey, he can dance, man. He can dance really nice, really smooth, really superb. Is it Hindi? I wasn't knowing he's in Hindi. Look at the leg work. Superb. Wow. Type of a Michael Jackson move or something like that. That spotlight which comes on his glares, that's nice, really nice. Wow. This really has a lot of ankle exercise to be done before doing, because it will like take a stroll on that. So total party animal, man. Nice. I love this step. I totally love this step. I'm going to try this one. Okay, he has a monologue of a person. Nice. Superb. Salsa, ball dance, jazz, everything in one. Jive, sorry. Nice. That the backlights are superb, man. This one was nice. I told you this step is one of the fantastic ones which he does. I guess it's a little bit of Michael Jackson touch over here. Okay, yeah. So that particular legwork, that was one of the fantastic ones, which in the whole video actually. He repeats this again and again because it was actually given specifically for the chorus step. That was one. Also, I was actually looking for a lot of changes in that, but it was a party song, so mostly it was focused on the party girls and the drinks and the whole party night, Saturday night, and people just like forget everything and just concentrate and focus on the partying that night and slaying it totally. He was actually trying to be a party guy or person or a host or something, I don't know. But I'm really interested to see if this particular movie, the name is Nayak, is it the same which has been which has Anil Kapoor in Bollywood, or it is like something different? Do let me know in the comments. I have no idea about this. So this was the reaction, and I hope you liked it. At the same point of time, do give a big thumbs up to this video if you like the reaction, because it would give me motivation, inspiration to do more videos for you guys. Also, lot of scene reaction, lot of fight reaction and song reaction are going to come up the whole weekend, so please do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter are in the description below if you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback. I would love to hear it from you guys. So until next video, until next reaction, next video, I would request you to stay connected.